Good morning, my name's Andy Coyle. I'm going to show you this gorgeous 1966 Chevelle SS396. SS396, as you all know, is the big block. This is a gorgeous car. It's been restored, I'd say, some years ago. This beautiful burnt orange paint, excellent chrome. Car shows really well. It's a Southern California car. This car has, besides the 396 cubic inch engine, it has all custom suspension, including A-arms front and rear, fabricated A-arms, coil-over shocks. That allows you to adjust the ride height very easily. You can see it's super clean. You'll also notice the heater hoses are new and go into the heater core. A lot of cars this vintage, people bypass the heater, so that's a good indication of good service. Has your power steering, has a new master and a new booster. Looks like excuse me, a new intake manifold, aluminum Edelbrock with a, looks like a new Holley carburetor on it. A big, real big, high capacity aluminum radiator. It has the fan with the shroud. The shroud really makes all the difference. The fan really doesn't work without that shroud. You can see all this clean as a whistle. So it's a really straight car. Couple minor imperfections, but I tell you what, it's about 98% there. Has the California black and gold plate. Trunk is clean, it's been redone, obviously. This is like a boom box here, bass speaker. These are your wrenches to adjust the coil-overs. Also, it has front rear sway bars, which allow you to run less spring rate in the springs because the sway bars act as a spring as well, but overall it makes for a little more balanced ride. I have photos of the top up. The top is in like new condition, stiff, hasn't been up, I can tell a lot. So this has the console here with the clock, which is right twice a day it looks like, which means it doesn't work, I would imagine. 3-speed automatic, locking compartment. You have excuse me, you have seat belts, you have oil, volts, and water here, auxiliary gauges. So let's fire this baby up. So it has power steering, power disc brakes, drum and back, automatic transmission. These are great cars because they haul ass, but they're really comfortable to drive. This thing really sounds great. Fantastic car, I love it. Classic American muscle. Goes down the road nice and straight. Gator's Speedo works. Auxiliary gauges work. It shifts nice and smoothly. It goes down the road absolutely straight. We're gonna go around, just do a U-turn here. Stops fantastic. Really good, powerful brakes. Holy croly. These are great cars. So the gauges are working. Interior is really nice. These look like new seat covers. Shows 18,865 on the odometer. You know, in an old car, I always say what you buy is the condition of the car. The odometer reading is really kind of irrelevant unless you can prove it and it's exceptionally low. Otherwise, you buy a car like this because of the exceptional condition, the big block, automatic transmission, power steering, custom suspension, hard to beat. And these cars are dead on reliable as well. So I'm turning the fan on, I can hear it go on. Looks like the air ventilation system is operable. So we're going to do a quick UE here. Yeah, this thing really gets with it. Holy Caroli. Yeah, what a fun ride. What's nice is you certainly have the power, but you also have the ability to control it, and you got really good brakes, really good suspension, so it's not like you're a kamikaze pilot with a huge motor and no control. So turn signals work well. What a nice ride, holy crowley. So we'll put it in reverse. You push down the little thingamabobby. So there you have it. So let's review 1966 Chevelle SS396. Smog exempt California title. Beautiful car. I don't think you could build it for what we're asking. Thanks for your consideration.